By villain, he means a low born person, okay? But Orlando takes it very literally. Villain, ruffian, a wicked fellow. He says, I am no villain, I'm not a wicked person. I'm the youngest son of Sir Roland de Bois. So, I'm not a villain. And he says, see, in this sentence, if you look at the text over here, he is thrice a villain that says, such a father we got villain. So three times he keeps repeating villain, villain, villain. As if he's enforcing what Oliver had said. He says, I am no villain. I am not a scoundrel. I am not a ruffian. And he was my father, and he is thrice a villain that says, such a father we got villain. That person, if he calls me a villain, that means he says that my father was a villain. So that repetition of the word villain thrice, he says, that person who is insisting that I am a villain is thrice a villain. He is triple times a villain, because he says that if I am a villain, that means my father is the one who bred this kind of a villain, and so he is throwing back that word to Oliver. It's a mm, this wordplay is very crucial, okay, because it's very important. Because Oliver means villain. By villain, he means peasant, a rustic fellow, serf. Serf is like a subordinate, but Orlando takes it to be an evil person, a wicked person. So, wert thou not my brother, I would not take this hand from thy throat till this other had pulled out thy tongue for saying so. Thou hast railed on thyself. If you were not my brother, I would have caught hold of you and I would have pulled out your throat, your tongue, because you have used this word. And in fact, you have actually have been abusing yourself, because you have called our father a villain. Our father is a villain, and you are his son. You are a villain like your father. The way you are calling our father, you're calling me a villain. You're calling our father a villain. So actually, you're calling yourself a villain also. So what Orlando does here is a very smart thing. He defends his father's honor, and he also defends his own noble birth together. Okay.